A very good morning, students. In today's class, we will be continuing chapter number 13, that is the sun, moon and stars. In the previous class, we have studied about the sun. In today's class, let us study about the moon. We all know what is the moon. We can see the moon in night in the sky. In some times, we can also see in daytime also the moon. So, what is the moon? The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. What is the satellite? Satellite is an object that moves around the planet. All the planets, they move around the sun, and around the planet, around each planet, the satellite, they move in a particular path. So, we can see the moon in the sky at night. At times, it is also visible in the day. The moon, it is the natural satellite of Earth. Earth is our planet. What is a satellite? A satellite is an object that moves around the planet. The moon, it moves around the Earth. It takes around 28 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. How many days to the moon takes? 28 days to move around the Earth, to take a complete turn around the Earth. Like the Earth, other planets too have natural satellites or moon. We have studied other planets also: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Uranus. This all planets, they are also having their natural satellite as moon. The moon is the Earth's closest neighbor in the sky. The moon, it is the closest neighbor in the sky of our planet, that is the Earth. It does not have its own light. It glows because sunlight falls on it. The moon, it is not having its own light. It glows because sunlight falls on it. There is no life on the moon because there is no air and water. There is no air or water on the moon, so there is no life on the moon. Pictures of the moon show that it has mountains and huge holes. The moon, it has only the mountains, and the mountains, they contain very large holes. These holes, they are found on the surface of moon, and these holes, the holes which are present on the moon, what do we call this hole? We call this hole as craters. Craters are the holes. Craters, C-R-A-T-E-R-S, craters. What are craters? They are the holes which are found on the moon. The moon appeared to change its shape every night. Every night the moon, it appeared to change its shape. Sometimes we see the full moon. Sometimes we are able to see the full moon. Full moon we are able to see on which day? That day is Purnima. Sometimes we only see a part of moon. This is a part of moon, this white part. Only a part of a moon we are able to see. This is the half moon. Only we are able to see sometimes the half moon. Sometimes only a part of the moon we are able to see. On some days we do not see the moon. On some days moon we are not able to see in the sky in the night. On which day we are not able to see the moon? That is the Amavasya. This is also called as a new moon. We are not able to see the moon at that time. That moon, it is the new moon. The different shapes of the moon that we see are called phases of the moon. This all, they are called, what do we call this all? They are the phases of the moon. So let us revise what we have done today. We have studied about the moon. What is moon? Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Now, natural, it means it occurs in the nature. It is not made by man. Now, what is satellite? Natural means it is there in the nature, it is not made by man. Now, what is satellite? Satellite is an object which moves around the planet. So, this moon, it moves around the Earth, and in taking a complete one revolution, how many days moon it takes? 28 days. Now in night we are able to see the moon and we are able to see different shapes. You have noticed it. Sometimes we are able to see the full moon, sometimes we are able to see only the half part of it, sometimes only the quarter moon we are able to see, and sometimes only a very small portion, that is the crescent moon, we are able to see. Now full moon we are able to see on Purnima, and when there is no moon in the sky, that day we call it as Amavasya. So that is the new moon. So these are the different phases of the moon. Now it is very interesting to know about it. What do the moon it contain? Like earth, it also has the river, lakes, oxygen, all the things are there. No, on moon nothing is there like that. No air is there. On moon only the mountains are there, and that mountain it contain very large holes on it. Now, what was the first person who walked on the moon? It was the Neil Armstrong. He was the first man. He walked on the moon. So in today's class we have studied about the moon only. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.